Welcome, man. Oh, welcome back to the channel, guys. So y'all remember the Jeep Cherokee, I want to say, that we thought was a transmission, or they thought was a transmission issue. Had me test driving and thinking I'm looking for a slipping in a certain gear type. Oh, it was a mess, guys. Well, anyway, after further the diagnosis, in fact, I'm gonna pull a piece of clip right here to in fact show y'all what I found. Yes, guys, this was the main culprit right here. This little guy here was causing all that drummer. I'm sure when I get this removed, it's gonna be some splits right here. Or this bracket may even be broken. I don't know. But I didn't just simply sell the failed one because that vehicle have quite a bit of miles. Likely a lot of work has been done to the, I want to say right side. No, this is the transmission side. I remember this mount because I had to take this off when I do a transmission. So we end up getting all three. Wow, guys, and these are OEM. These are high quality. That's a lot of aluminum there, buddy. Oh, and I did end up selling the brake job. Remember I told you we got to look the car over. So yeah, front brake pads. Now the mere fact that I don't see any rotors in this box, guys, you know what that tells me? I have to resurface the rotors. Well, we don't do pad slap here. That's easy does it them. I'm joking. I don't know how easy them do. Now I would say this, guys, all brake rotors do not have to be resurfaced. I've seen some, I don't know what material they're using, but some of those import cars, those brake rotors look just as good as they did at 10 miles. All right, so yeah, I don't see any rotors, so I assume I got to resurface the rotor. I'm not going to pad slap it. So here's the mounts, guys. Again, this was the culprit. Got a lot of work to do. Let me bring this in, and we're gonna knock this out. As far as footage, I'm not sure how much I can get y'all. Y'all know how it is. Y'all know how it go. But my main goal is to fix the problem. When I drive that car out of my stall, it will not be clunking and bumping anymore because I diagnosed the problem. First, I had to duplicate it. Key point there, guys. Make sure you guys are duplicating the concern first. All right. It will make you feel a whole lot better writing up the estimate. Okay, there's nothing like writing up a blind estimate. Oh, I've been there. That sucks, and it's scary, and you lose sleep over it. Okay, because you really literally wasting somebody's money. You ain't even sure that's gonna fix the problem. You might have to go to them for more money. All right, that's a long story, but guys, let me bring this car in. Jeep Cherokee, let me bring it in, try to knock some of this out, and we'll go from there, guys. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, guys, here we go. Got the Jeep inside. Go figure, guys. The one that actually has the problem is the easiest one. Right, go figure. So it almost make you wish you hadn't never sold these, right? But yeah, guys, just anytime a job, you suspect a job is going to be hard, just charge accordingly. And I'm going to tell you that some mechanics, they still don't want to do it. Even though they charge what it's supposed to pay and it got approved, they still don't want to do it. I'm that way, but I know what I need to do. This mount is hidden right here, guys. So I'm trying to avoid not having to remove this fuse box. The battery might not be so lucky. It might have to go. But and this other mount right here. So remove a little bit of this. Just remove some things. I charged accordingly, but for some reason I still don't want to do it. Go figure. That's just how we are as humans. All right, guys, I got a lot of work to do. Let's get it. All right, guys, so there was no way around it. I had to remove the fuse box, guys. Quit calling this a TIPM. This is not a TIPM. This is not a totally integrated power module. It's just a box that transfers power to another source, and it's protected. Most devices are protected by a fuse, okay? So I want to say it's a PTC. It could have any kind of name to it, but I had to remove it, guys, and it wasn't that bad removing it. I had to get the battery out of the way, all to gain access to this engine support right here. All right, now I do have a jack stand underneath the transmission to hold the transmission up while I take off the support. All right, that makes sense, right? You gotta have something to support. All right, so that's what I mean by this one's kind of pain, but all you got to do is charge accordingly. It won't feel so bad. All right, guys, I got the left side engine support on. Guys, and I'm not going to bother filming this. Y'all see where I'm going with this. Same thing I did to the left side, you will do to the right side, okay? In fact, this one is actually easier. And y'all know how easy the bottom one is. In fact, I got to make room on my device for some more recording. So I'm going to do this, guys. No, I'll leave this video open because I want y'all to see what came apart on the bottom part of this mount. Remember, these two here are being done just for insurance purpose because of mileage. This is the one that actually broke. So hold tight until I get the car in the air, and we'll do this one together, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, here we are, getting ready to do this mount. Now I'm gonna need I gotta have a jack stand right here, so I'm gonna lift the transmission up off lift the weight of the transmission up off the mount so I can get these. Oh, these are pain. And this bolt comes straight down, so it's not like it goes up. It would have been easy if it goes up, but they got it designed to come straight down. So just a matter of picking up off the train and fishing that mount out of there. All right, let's get it. Oh, righty, guys. Here you are. So this was what was causing that perceived transmission slipping. All right. Yeah, like I say, it's a wearable item, guys. So over time, you're gonna need all your motor mounts. Gonna need replacing. I am doing the luxury of doing all of the engine support motor mounts on this vehicle. Okay, even though the rest of them are not broken like this, they have some wear on them because when one give out, all the load and strain is going to be on the rest of the engine support. So it's an OEM. They don't look exactly like, must be a little redesign. That's all good. Well, all right, guys, I got work to do. In fact, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. That's all I have, guys. Don't always think transmission is transmission. A transmission complaint is a transmission problem. Okay, it could be drivetrain feel. It could be a feel thing. This turned out to be something that had to have been test driven. That's why I always talk about the importance of a test drive. All right, that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.